Now in the chapter of linear functions and graphs, okay, chapter 6, let's take a look at checkpoint 6.4. Okay, now this is actually identifying what an equation would mean. So the general equation that we're looking at is y equals to mx plus c, where m represents the gradient and c represents the y-intercept. Okay, so if you're looking at this particular equation in part A, we are seeing that the gradient, okay, identified as m is 3, whereas the y-intercept is actually 4. Okay, then let's take a look at part B. Okay, so always remember, when you're given a question like that, you have to change it into y equals to mx plus c. So let's bring B over. You have 2x minus 5y minus 1 equals 0. So let's bring y, okay, the y term over the other side. You have 2x minus 1 equals to 5y. So I want y, so I'll take 2x minus 1 divided by 5. And what does this mean? It means 2x divided by 5 minus 1 over 5. So therefore, my gradient is 2 over 5, whereas my y-intercept is negative 1 over 5. Please include your negative. Okay, then let's see for part C, you have 5x plus y equals to 8 times 3. So when you have 8 times 3, you're actually looking at 24, correct? So therefore you have y, okay, y equals to negative 5x plus 24, which means the gradient is negative 5 and the y-intercept is actually 24. Okay, then let's take a look at part D. Alright, part D, you have 2x over 3 minus y over 2 equals to 1. So make this particular equation the same denominator. So you would have, right, you have 3, so you have 2, so you multiply by 2 on this side, 2x over 6 minus away 3y over 6 equals to 1, right? So you will have 4x minus away 3y over 6 equals to 1. Then from here, please don't just cancel the denominator here, okay, unless you are going to make this the same denominator as well. That means the term on the other side of the equation. So from here, what you do is you will cross multiply. Okay, you have 4x minus away 3y equals to 6. Again, make y the subject. Alright, so you have 4x, okay, minus away x minus away 6 equals to 3y, of which y equals to 4x minus 6 over 3. Okay, let's expand it further. You will have 4 over 3x minus away 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. So therefore your gradient is 4 over 3 and then your y-intercept is negative 2. Okay, now this is very crucial, especially in questions that requires you to reshuffle the equation, or the way the equation is seen such that you can see the gradient as well as the y-intercept.